Animal oil refining is an essential process for producing high-quality oils suitable for cooking or other applications. The equipment typically includes components like melting tanks, filtering systems, deodorizing units, and cooling systems. Each component plays a crucial role in ensuring the final product meets safety and quality standards. For instance, the melting tank is responsible for heating raw animal fat to extract oil. The choice of equipment also depends on the intended use of the refined oil. If the oil is destined for food consumption, stricter hygiene and purification standards must be met, which could increase the equipment's cost. On the other hand, if the oil is for non-food purposes, such as soap manufacturing, the requirements might be less stringent. Additionally, in conclusion,